So you bought a Troy-bilt tb32 EC and it bogs down when you try and put it in the third position here and give it gas. It doesn't work. It sounds like this. Quick fix to try. Depending on your altitude, I believe these things were assembled at a higher altitude so that they just do not work at lower altitudes. The first thing you should try is turning this counterclockwise a quarter or 3/4 of a turn. Use a small screwdriver, kind of work it along the edge here, and see how that works. That may fix your problem. If it doesn't fix your problem, or if you just want to fine-tune this machine, what I would recommend is figuring out a way to turn them with a screwdriver. I used a small drill and drilled holes in the top like this. And then inserted a screwdriver, and I was able to turn these both all the way in and all the way out. Ultimately, the settings that I found that worked for me, I'm at sea level, was turning the low speed carburetor adjuster screw here 1.5 turns counterclockwise. Of course, first I turned it all the way in until it was closed, and then opened it up 1.5 turns counterclockwise. And then the high speed I adjusted, and that ended up being about 1.25 turns. This is how you adjust the high speed. To set the high speed adjustment on this, you're going to want to turn this one in all the way clockwise. Start it up. Depress the throttle here all the way, and with it pressed all the way, unscrew this until you hit maximum sounding power. I'll demonstrate it here. Depending on your altitude, you may have to adjust these differently than how I just adjusted mine. Like I said, I'm at sea level. I think these were assembled and adjusted at a higher altitude.